Agriculture is huge. End-to-end agricultural operations of all kinds are going to benefit tremendously from this, including animal husbandry, by the way. Literally everything from the way we deal with filtration and handling of chickens all the way up through large-scale agriculture. Another one is agile manufacturing in general. Another one that's huge is warehousing and logistics in general. So logistics not around warehousing and warehouse management alone, but around warehousing and then supply chain resolution. And of course, we know that's a big deal now, but it's going to be the AI-based techniques that we're going to be reformulating now to solve this problem today and for the future. And then another huge vertical is medical. It's a very, very big deal. It's a vertical, in fact, because it has to do with big data analytics. It has to do with all kinds of really interesting, innovative robotics technologies and the ways in which those two things come together to create a better outcome for people.